In this YouTube tutorial, we are going to learn how to download a Canva post in high quality. So, to do this, you have to first create your post. After doing this, just click on the share button, download. After clicking on the download, you have to select the file type in which you want to download your post. After doing this, just select the file size to maximum to get the best output results. After doing this, click on the select pages and select all of the pages that you want to download, like 6, 5, 4. Maybe you have to download multiple posts. And if that's not the case, then just click on the current page or then done and then download. It's that simple. Your post has been downloaded in high quality and is ready to be used for posting in your groups or Instagram or anywhere on the social media wherever you want to post. Thank you very much.